Hello everyone, I love my Devialet Phantom. It's an amazing and magnificent experience to listen to them. In this video, you can hear their amazing sound.
Yeah, I tell you something, I think you'll understand. When I see that something, I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. Oh, please say to me, you let me be your man. And please say to me, you let me hold your hand. Oh, let me hold your hand. Oh, let me hold your hand.
And I cannot see you are there. Your petty evil don't bother me. Playing on the clothes you wear, laughing me, pressed and clean, and I don't care. Right on for the darkness. Right on for the darkness. You pity fools, you better have some sympathy, yeah. 'Cause the educated people wanted the lives of high society. I sit and wait. Does an angel contemplate my fate? And do they know the places where we go when we're gray and old? 'Cause I've been told that salvation lets their wings unfold. So when I'm lying in my bed, thoughts running through my head, and I feel that love is dead, I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, he offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether